Now that you have learned the meaning behind the CENTEGIX Crisis Alert badge, here's how it works. The Crisis Alert badge can be used to activate two types of alerts. A staff alert is for everyday incidents, such as a medical emergency or student altercation. A campus-wide alert is for extreme emergencies, such as an active shooter or weather event. To initiate a staff alert, push the button on your badge 3 times. Push the button firmly. You will hear a click after each push. After the third push, the badge will vibrate. This vibration confirms that the alert has been sent. The responders at your location will receive a notification in their Crisis Alert application that you need help and where you are located. To initiate a campus-wide alert, push the button on your Crisis Alert badge until the alert is activated. Push the button firmly and continue pushing through the vibrations. You will know the campus-wide alert has been activated when you hear an intercom announcement, see flashing strobes, and see an alert message displayed on computer screens connected to the network. Now that you know how to use your Crisis Alert badge, here are a few things to remember. Wear your badge on your body at all times, preferably above your waist and around your neck. Do not leave it unattended or accessible to students. Do not hang other items on your badge, such as keys or a flash drive. When you are not wearing the badge, do not place it under things or sit on it. These actions could damage the badge or unintentionally activate an alert. Remember, the badge does not work off campus. Please do not use it for off-campus emergencies. Do not hesitate to use your badge in any emergency situation on campus. If you have any questions regarding using your Crisis Alert badge, please direct them to your training facilitator. Thank you for watching.